Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will do a differential equation solvable for p. So see here, first of all we have an equation that is f of x, y and p that is equal to 0. Always remember this differential equation is of first order and degree greater than 1. Degree greater than 1. So in this case, first of all, what we have to do, first of all, equation is given to you. We will convert that equation into factors. Suppose that we are getting p minus f1, p minus f2, up to so on p minus fn equal to 0. These are the factors. Then what we will do, if factors product equal to 0, it means that each and every term must be equal to 0. First of all, what is f1, f2, f3 up to so on fn. So always remember these are the functions of x and y. So after this we will take p minus f1 equal to 0, then p minus f2 equal to 0, then p minus fn equal to 0. After this what we will get, p equal to f1, p equal to f2 up to so on p equal to fn. Then what we will know that p is equal to dy by dx. So it means that dy by dx is equal to f1. Similarly, dy by dx is equal to f2. Similarly, dy by dx is equal to f3. Up to so on, dy by dx is equal to fn. Then what we will do? We will solve these equation. Now we can solve this equation either by variable separable method, or we can solve this any linear differential equation type solution. So whatever we have done to solve linear equation of first degree, first order, we will use that method here to solve the questions. Suppose that after solving these equation, we will get first equation is f1 x comma y comma c1 that is equal to 0. Then we will get second solution is x comma y comma c2 equal to 0 up to so on f and x comma y comma cn equal to 0. What does it mean? This is solution corresponding to this equation. This is solution corresponding to this equation. And at last it is solution corresponding to last equation. Now here the question arises, always remember we will take C1 equal to C2 equal to C3 up to so on equal to C and C. Why we are taking only one constant? Because in this case your equation is of first order. So if our equation is of first order, it means that all the constant can be changed into C. So what is the solution? It is f1 x comma y comma c, f x comma y comma c, then up to so on f x comma y comma c equal to 0. This is known as solution of differential equation, which is of highest degree and first order. Now we will do one question so that we will get a better idea of that. Suppose the question is given dy by dx minus dx by dy equal to x by y minus y by x. So always remember, we know that dy by dx, it can be taken as p. So dx by dy can be taken as 1 by p. So what we will get? P minus 1 by p that is equal to x by y minus y by x. So if we are taking LCM, it is p square minus 1 divided by p. Again it is x square minus y square into x into y. What we will do? We will cross multiply both the ways. So if we will cross multiply, p square minus 1 into x y equal to x square minus y square that into p. So after that it is xy p square minus xy, then x square minus y square into p. After xy p square minus x square minus y square into p minus xy equal to 0. Now we can see that it is quadratic equation in terms of p. And we know that we have to find the value of p. So what we will use? We will use here discriminant method to solve this differential equation. So what we will say in discriminant method? In discriminant method, we will take here p minus b. Minus b is minus x square minus y square plus minus root b square, again minus positive, minus 4a and c divided by 2 times e. After it is x square minus y square plus minus, it can be taken x4 a square a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, then plus 4x square y square divided by 2xy. If we will solve further, it is x square minus y square plus minus. Again, we will get here x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4. Then you will get here plus 2x square y square divided by, it is 2xy. Again x square minus y square plus minus. Can we write it down? X square plus y square whole square divided by 2xy. How? Because we can write down x square square plus y square square plus 2x square y square. It is a square b square plus 2ab. So it is x square plus y square into whole square. Now here we have two values. First we will take x square minus y square, again square, and this will be give you only x square plus y square divided by 2xy. After that, if we want to solve it, first of all we will take here, it is x square minus y square plus x square plus y square divided by 2xy. Its value is equal to p. Next is x square minus y square minus x square plus y square divided by 2xy. After this, we will see that it can be cancelled out. It is 2x square divided by 2xy. Further, if I want to solve it again, I'll get it here x square minus y square minus x square minus y square. So again it would be cancelled out and you will left here minus 2y square divided by 2xy. Again it would be cancelled out and you will get here p x by y. Again it would be cancelled out and you will get here minus y by x. So now you will get here two values. First value is p equal to x by y and second value is p is equal to minus y by x. As we know that what is the value of p? So we know that p is equal to dy by dx. So it means that we will get a two equation. If we will solve these two equations, definitely we will get the answer. So firstly, if we want to move further, so I'll just do it. Here is dy by dx equal to x by y. Similarly, dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So again, we can see that we can use here variable separable method. So it is y dy equal to x dx. So if I want to solve further, it means we are integrating. It is y square by 2 equal to x square by 2 plus c. So how can I write it down? The answer can be written as y square minus x square is equal to c. This is the first solution. I'm gonna rub it and then we will go with the second solution. So similarly, if we are taking about second solution. So second solution, it simple means again we want to go with another value. And what is our another value? Our another value is giving you our another value. I'll take p, that would be equal to minus y by x. Again we are taking dy by dx. it is minus y by x. Again we can use your variable separable, minus 1 by y dy. Again it is dx by x. Again integration on both sides, minus log of y, that could be log of x plus c. It can be taken as minus log of y minus log of x equal to c. Negative is taken as a common, so it is minus log x plus log y equal to c. Again log a plus log b is log xy equal to c. Again if I want to move further, we can write it down this as xy equal to c. So it means that we have two solutions. So how can we write it down the solution? Its solution can be taken as y square minus x square minus c into xy minus c, that would be equal to 0. So this is a required solution of differential equation. So thank you very much.